You're so pretty, little one. Let's play. Say hello to the room. Hi. You look so pretty today. Thank you. And there, all done. Look, character B. Your hair is too long. It covers your eyes. My hair is long like a princess, Mommy. Yes, but we need to trim it. Let's go to the hair salon today.
I can drive you to the hair salon, Mary.
Oh, Tom, you're a lifesaver. Thank you. Dad, my hair is long too. Can I get a haircut?
Of course, Ben. We will all go together.
I wish you were real and everything was okay. Wow, this place is amazing.
Oh.
Look at those mirrors.
Oh.
Let's sit over here. Okay, Mommy.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the salon. I'm Mr. Kevin, and I'll be taking care of you today. Good afternoon. 2 haircuts for the children, please. Who wants to sit in the racing car first?
Me! I want to sit in the red car. Vroom, vroom. Ah! Look, Dad. I am driving.
We wear this cape to keep your clothes clean.
Whoa.
Now you're all set for your haircut, Ben.
Mommy, the scissors look sharp. They're just for cutting hair, honey. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, Lily. The scissors only cut hair. It does not hurt at all. Oh, okay, that's good.
That is right, Lily. Scissors are just magic wands for hair. Here we go, Ben. Spritz, spritz.
Hey, that's cold.
Don't worry, just a little. Let's comb it straight. Comb, comb, comb.
Thanks, Mr. Kevin.
Keep your head still, Ben.
Okay, Mr. Kevin.
Just trimming the ends. You're doing great.
Awesome.
Sure, shorter on the sides, longer on top. A cool style for Ben.
Yeah, perfect.
There we go. Ready for your fresh cut, Ben? Yep, Mr. Kevin. Got the clippers ready?
The clipper tickles my neck.
Whoosh!
Wow. I look like a cool football player, Dad.
Excellent haircut, Ben. You look very neat.
Thanks, Tom.
That's great, Ben.
I will hold your hand the whole time, sweetheart.
Now, it is the little princess's turn. Come here, Lily. All right, Lily, let's get you ready.
Ooh, I love the strawberries.
Just need to tie this up for you. There you go. All right, Lily, this pink cape will keep you nice and clean.
Yay, Mr. Kevin. Look, Mommy. It matches my bows. Ha ha! See? It is very nice. Now, close your eyes gently. Okay, Lily, just a little spray to set your bangs. Eep. All done. Take a look.
Open your eyes, Lily. Look at the mirror. No sharp scissors near your face.
Wow, it's me.
Good morning, Lily. Ready for your haircut?
Okay. You are doing great, Lily. You are very brave. Thank you, Ben. Oh, no thank you. I don't want the gel today. I
am a brave girl, Ben. Yes, you are, Lily. I can do anything.
Why? This is a medal for the bravest girl today.
Thank you, Mr. Kevin.
Your hair smells like sweet strawberries, Lily.
I love my new hair, Mommy. Check out our new looks. Aren't they amazing? We look like superstars thanks to this place.
Look at them.
Look at them.
They look so happy.
I love my new hair. Me too. It's perfect. Ready to win? Ready. I love my new haircut. Ah. Me too. It's perfect. Ready to win.
Wow, our hair looks amazing.
I love it.
I love the cut. It feels great.
I'm so glad you're happy with it. Would you like to pay with this card?
Thank you for the wonderful service.
You're very welcome. Have a great day. Keep your hair neat, try new styles, and don't be afraid. See you next time.
Goodbye.